Howdy folks, it's Labor Day and I'm going to labor. See, COVID-19 labor. Anyways, we're here at the Rim in San Antonio, Texas at a new Spirit Halloween location. Y'all ready for this? Let's do it. Check it out, man. It's an old Macys, abandoned Macys here, and it says Spirit Halloween. Maybe, I mean, there's so many spirits here in San Antonio. I apologize I haven't got to any, but just maybe we might have some stock inside. But we don't know until these doors open. Oh, don't let it squish you. All right, check it out. Maybe, maybe not. It could be our lucky day. Or might not. Oh my gosh, there's nothing. Okay, I think we're gonna have to be animatronics for everybody. They don't have anything now, but it's all good. I guess that's eventually coming, right? Maybe, maybe not. Here we go. We got 55 days until Halloween, folks. Oh, look at that. Okay, you know what? A lot of my fans were asking and were telling me, saying that that Nate guy from YouTube said this is guts, pumpkin guts. So, here, hold this for me. Watch out, Lars. Go over there. Oh, I told everybody rolling the pumpkin guts. So I'm rolling in the guts. Oh, this is so crazy. I'm full of guts.
Harper wants to do it.
All right, so yeah, I had my fun. I rolled in the pumpkin guts, but yes, I guess it is kinda. Yeah, there's some floating pumpkins, but it looks more like lava, you know. But hey, I don't know, who am I to say? I like it though. Hey, can you draw? Well, that looked like a ghost until Caleb stepped on it. Can you draw like an Among Us? Like kind of push it into an Among Us shape?
I don't think so.
Nah. Oh well, let's go to the right here. You gonna do it, baby? Step on it. Woo! It got you. Uh-oh, what did you got? Like a knapsack? He's fixing to go on vacation? Oh my goodness. I like how they did his hair. They put little things there. He's not wobbling back and forth. So they have lots of night crawlers. There's the pumpkin omatic. Come on there, crazy. Oh, you know what? The Huntress was right there, huh? How you doing? No, nothing. No props yet. Oh my God, everyone's dying. I finally got my Buzzsaw that I ordered in pre-order. Alrighty, let's continue our happy tour here. Is there anything we haven't seen? Once again, shipping delays are a real big problem, but hey, this is going to be the full display store here at the Rim. So the store manager took my number so I could come back when all the props are fully loaded. But yeah, we got a hot farmer over there. Who's doing it? Oh.
Halloween costumes make me crazy. They make me wanna
Hot farmer boy. He looking good. I didn't know those spoke, but I guess they're speaking here. All right, we got man's best friend. Let's go ahead. Oh, you're so evil, man. That kind of goes good. A Rugrat shirt with a crazy old knife. And an Among Us killer. Whoa. Anything? You see anything new? Nothing? No new nothing, huh? Oh, you're killing me. That is really neat. I like that. That is cool. How much was that? 24 bucks? Look at me there, Venom Killer.
It's cute in that.
I know, right? We're all dying to see the new props at San Antonio store locations, but we'll just have to patiently wait. Among Us Venom Killer. You crazy little girl. He feels buff, man. He's got some nice firm biceps. Ah, Venom Killer. There we go. I didn't see these last time anywhere. He's all burnt. It's the burning skulls. We're on fire hearts. Yeah. That's what happens when you get burnt. Yep. You see, you hear that sizzling sound like a steak on the grill. Oh lordy, we're infested with rats right here. They're so cute. Their little evil teeth. We got a snake and a whole bunch of other cute little rats and mice and everything nice. Oh yeah, you know what? I got lots of those from clearance last year that I'm going to be putting up in my yard. I've been doing a lot of yard work and yard renovation, so sometime real soon I'll be getting those up. Oh, and we got the lawn scare spiders. Want to push a button? Oh, it worked by itself. Oh, they all work by themselves.
You can knock back all you want, because the bell is inside. I must be up there.
Crazy kid. Make sure you put that stuff back. Oh, we got Annabelle and Chucky and Sam. Oh yeah. Where'd you get that from? What's that? Well, you gotta put that snake back, fool. Is it gonna work? Let's see. I gotta step on the thing. Gotta reach. Yeah, gotta reach in there. And he woke up. Okay, we're gonna go Scarecrow Crown. I'm gonna stick my phone in there. Ready? Watch. And Sam, he's always so damn ass loud. Yeah, I think he has to be the most loudest prop there is. He is so loud. Alright, check it out. We got some Freddy Krueger. I like that. These old school masks crack me up. So just like the front facial thing. That's the one I grew up with. We didn't have too many of those when I was a kid. It was all the old school stuff. I like the shirts. Jason Voorhees. Oh, I think I got a sneeze coming. There's Sam. He's loud as hello. That's pretty cool. We got the Jason mug. Silly string. Yeah, if she does a Chucky, that'd be great.
That would be perfect.
She needs to do it.
I know.
We still need to put her in the costume. We haven't done that yet.
I know. Well, her other one's coming today, so it's up to her.
Yeah. Alright, this is Brown. Spooky Lives. Y'all stay spooky, my friends. See you next video.